Hello and welcome back to Azure Terraformer. I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. I am down here in Florida with my family celebrating Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are all with your families having a good time, eating lots of turkey and just thinking about what matters most in your lives. So thank you. It's been a fun year on Azure Terraformer and I look forward to more in the future. I'm thankful for just all of the great engagement from the audience and the opportunity to learn new things and overcome new challenges. Technology is a lot of fun, but sometimes we got to think about what really matters and take a breath and smell the roses or smell the coffee or pet a cat. Whatever it is, you got to find time to decompress and let your brain rest. So no technology today, no programming for me today. Just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving and enjoy your time with your families. Cheers.